Welcome to the Findly podcast, where we help businesses get seen and customers find what they need. Whether someone is searching on Google, asking Siri, or browsing local directories, visibility matters. Our goal is clear: optimizing visibility to maximize revenue. Today we're talking about strain gauges. A strain gauge is a precision sensor designed to measure strain, which is the amount of deformation an object experiences when subjected to forces like stretching, compression, or bending. When a strain gauge is bonded to the surface of a material, it experiences the same changes as the material itself. These tiny deformations cause a measurable change in the electrical resistance of the gauge. Through this change, engineers can convert mechanical strain into an electrical signal that can be recorded, monitored, and analysed. Strain gauges are used across industries where safety, accuracy, and material performance are critical. In construction and civil engineering, they help monitor the structural health of bridges, buildings, and tunnels. In automotive and aerospace, they play a vital role in testing how vehicles, engines, and aircraft components hold up under stress and fatigue. In laboratories and research, they're used to measure the behaviour of new materials under controlled testing. And in sensor manufacturing, strain gauges are the foundation for devices like load cells, torque sensors, and pressure sensors. There are different types and configurations of strain gauges depending on what you need to measure. Linear gauges measure strain in one direction, while rosette gauges allow measurements in multiple directions, which is helpful when the direction of the strain is unknown. Factors like gauge resistance, grid length, and temperature compensation are all important in selecting the right gauge for your application. For example, higher resistance gauges are useful where you want less self-heating, and gauges with self-temperature compensation are ideal when working in environments with fluctuating heat. Working with high-quality suppliers ensures the gauges you use are accurate and reliable. Test Machines Australia provides a wide range of strain gauges suitable for different applications, including options from Kyowa, a globally trusted brand known for its precision and reliability. While Kyowa isn't the only brand in the market, many engineers choose them for their performance and versatility. Test Machines Australia supplies these gauges nationwide, supporting industries from civil engineering projects to advanced aerospace testing. Of course, strain gauges aren't just about the sensor itself. Installation and preparation make all the difference. Surfaces must be properly prepared and adhesives carefully chosen to ensure accurate results. Protective coatings may be required for long-term monitoring, especially in harsh conditions like high humidity, chemical exposure, or fluctuating temperatures. Choosing the right accessories and adhesives is just as important as choosing the gauge itself. With the right setup, strain gauges can provide incredibly accurate insight into how materials behave under load. That data helps businesses and engineers make better decisions, reduce risks, and improve both safety and efficiency. Whether it's a bridge in Melbourne, an aircraft wing under test, or a new material being developed in a lab, strain gauges give you confidence that you're working with real, precise information. To learn more, visit testmachines.com.au. That's it for another episode of the Findly podcast. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time. Findly, optimizing visibility to maximize revenue.